Alright folks, welcome to the TBB Indoors channel. TBB Indoors channel. Right that intro, we are headed to the Black Bear Harley-Davidson. Ooh, I hope so. Them ain't rain clouds. Probably are. Yep. It's just me, Beth, and old Chestnut Mountain Tin Man, the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. Mr. G's got to fix his driveway, and Robin's got to make some money, sell a house or two. So yeah, we'll see you down the road. Welcome back. How your mama and them doing? How you folks and all? The Narrows are 46 miles away. I don't know what the Narrows are. We gotta go over that mountain, I know that much. Starts raining, we'll turn around and come back. Yeah. Time and temperature is 9:48. Usually we start riding about 10 o'clock around here. So it is 74 degrees. Alright, we're on Highway 614. It's a pretty good road. Last time we rode it, I guess. It's been a while. Been about a year or so. I don't know if we rode it last year, but maybe 2 years ago. But it's a snow truck route, you know, so so it should be pretty good. We'll see. You don't have any straight roads up here. The road's still a little damp. I can see it. Yeah. Woo. Wee. I don't like red damp roads, loose gravel and all like that. Maybe I should turn traction control on. Woo. Oh yeah, they rained last night real hard, so I get more debris. We'll see. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, we done hit some debris. Like a limb fell in the road. I remember this road now. It has dropped down to 70 degrees. Elevation 2,800 feet. We got a tunnel? Alright, I've been wanting to go through this tunnel, and we get to. I didn't know that. The thing you don't know. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Holy shit, we're inside a mountain. It's loud in here too. Stay on your side of the road there, Turbin. Suburban Turbin. Woo, it's dark in here too. Oh, I got dark glasses on. Woohoo! Stinks too. It smells like diesel. Woohoo! The tar. Well, coming out the mountain. Now. Woo! Wow, that was neat. Neat. I can't see nothing. My screen went dark. Recalculate. There it comes back. It went to night mode. Yeah, I'm recording now. So here we are. First time being here at Black Bear Harley-Davidson. You can see it when we get it off the interstate. That's ain't the bar and shield, you know what I mean? Oh, barn, you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Where's it at? Oh, there it is. with the bear, climbing up the bear truck entrance. Yes, motorcycles down here. Going in. So we're leaving this black bear. They got a black bear climbing the pole. Can we go out this way? Yeah, I guess so. I'm going out this way. Alrighty, folks. We just got on the Park Blvd drive-in. A drive-in. That's clean. It ain't open. Clouds don't look too good up there. Scattered thunderstorms. Isolated, scattered. We on Highway 16, the back of the dragon. Woo!
Let's stop for 5 seconds. Let me change this.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop at the park. Nah. I wanted a Gatorade. Yeah, you got everything but Gatorade. That looks like somebody's pet there instead of a coyote.
Yeah.
It's probably, you know.
That little fox lives behind my house.
That's been what getting Nona Grace's chicken back there
Really?
with that. Yeah, that fox.
Yeah.
Skunk. Boy, there was one. Alright, here we are, fixing to jump on the back of the dragon. It's kind of like the end point to it, or whatever you want to call it. Let me stop and see. Nothing coming, let's go. Alright, now we going. Y'all know the TheChestnutMtnTinman's a church man, you know, he likes filming churches with his drone. He's been telling us all the churches he's been seeing up through here. Alright, let's get on the, we on the back of the dragon. I should put my other camera on so you can see behind me, but oh well, keeping it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. They need to repave this road. That's the only damn problem about this road is it's kind of old. It's got a lot of patchwork in it. Oh dear. Was I recording? Please tell me I was recording. I was. Yay. Well, it scared him more than it scared me. It was gravel in that one. Oh, my ears are still popping. Tazewell, 25 miles. Elevation is 3359, 3,359 feet and climbing. I believe this is the first mountain range, scenic overlook. Blind curve, rock cliff. Blind curve around the rock cliff. Woo! Going down now, going down the mountain. Mistress be coming down the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes. See, I can get right turns going down pretty good, but the right turns going up, not so good. I think we on our we on our second mountain range. Ooh, pretty, ain't it? $1 million views. Somebody been doing circle wheelies out there. There was a ton of rocks and gravel in that curve back there, that one went around the mountain. I said, oh shit. This guy coming up on the $1 million view. We come on this side of the mountain. Woo! Wind got up. Felt some raindrops. Oh, what the hell was that? A bird? A bug. Here's the $1 million curve. Kudzu curve. Here's a motorcycle. But he wasn't friendly, he didn't wave. We call this kudzu corner, or $1 million view, or sticker guardrail. I see Roadie Rider right there. Gonna pat my cock. Let's get off this mountain before it starts raining on us. We should start there at that $1 million view, you know. That's a, somebody threw a can out. And a dead animal. I don't know, that was somebody's ponytail, one of them suction cup hammer thingies. Alright, we almost over here to the Dragon Picture Place in the Welcome Center. Coming up here on the left, just past the ball fields. Alright, well, I guess I'm still recording, ain't I? Yep. So go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you down the road. Picture time.